Maayong gabi! Tribute Kiparon. So, to the beloved 15th District of the Laras City, Philippines, Barangay Captain Jimenarado, what?
Jimenador.
Jimenador.
Lantape.
Lantape. And of course, to the barangay councilors, especially to my very own friend, Kagawad Ami. And of course, people of Barangay 15 visitors, my Bangla National High School batchmates, Michelle Dumont, Raymond Sale, Peter Vici Huertas, and of course my friends, including Ate Chona, Maricel, Chiren, and other friends. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Happy Fiesta! District of Binondo City! What we talk about?
Ay.
For tonight, we're going to perform for Senior Citizen Night. I am Lisa Rojas Cacha from Loongo, Philippines, and of course, my sister. Mayong gabi, Suranan. Ako di ay si Corzon Rojas Cacha from Loon. Sa dili ko ni manganta, gusto di ay nako nga magpasalamat sa mga barangay officials o sa mga senior citizen officers dili sa barangay 50 o sa nag-invite sa akong igsuon maong naapil sa ko. Happy Fiesta, Senior San Roque!
Happy
Viva!